See, before you take your clothes off, you can get into the bath and you can do all manner of exercises. Tricep dips, getting the triceps working, press ups, narrow grip on the end of the bath, narrow grip press ups, bosh, 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 knocking those out for fun. Step ups on the end of the bath, watch your head, so stepping up, stepping down, stepping up, stepping down. Make sure there's no water in the bath for that one. Then you can do step in and step out. So stepping in the bath, in and out, in and out. So again, make sure there's no water in the bath, otherwise you're going to be taking a tumble straight to A&E. And by the way, don't sue me if you do that, because I've already warned you not to do it, so you can't get me on that one. So there you go, a few shower squats, woo! Getting the quads working, a couple of single-legged calf raises. And the best thing about that is that when you're done and you're sweaty, rip your t-shirt off and get in the shower. And make sure all sweat's off, make yourself nice and clean. Everyday workout number 3, hashtag everyday workout. Get on Twitter and get it trending, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.